South Korea's Constitutional Court has initiated trial proceedings regarding the impeachment of President Yoon Suk-yeol, who was suspended following his declaration of martial law, which has led to significant political unrest in the nation. Last Saturday, members of parliament voted in favor of impeaching Yoon, a decision prompted by widespread protests demanding his resignation. The court is tasked with making a determination within 6 months on whether to uphold Yoon's impeachment or to reinstate him. In the aftermath of the impeachment vote, Yoon's ruling party, the People Power Party, PPP, has faced considerable challenges, culminating in the announcement of its leader's resignation on Monday. Although public hearings for the impeachment trial may extend over several months, the court is under considerable pressure to reach a swift conclusion to alleviate the ongoing political instability. Protesters have pledged to continue their demands for Yoon's removal throughout the court proceedings. In the 2 previous cases of presidential impeachment in South Korea, the court overturned one impeachment while upholding the other. There were concerns regarding the ability to proceed with Yoon's trial, as the court currently comprises only 6 justices, following the recent retirement of 3 members who have yet to be replaced. However, the court confirmed on Monday that it would conduct Yoon's trial with the existing 6 judges and has scheduled a preliminary hearing for December 27. Should the court uphold the impeachment, South Korea would be required to conduct new presidential elections within 60 days. In the interim, Prime Minister Han Duck-soo is acting as president. It remains uncertain whether Yoon will personally appear during the court hearings. He did not respond to a summons to meet with prosecutors in Seoul on Sunday and is expected to be ordered to appear again for questioning. Should he fail to comply this week, law enforcement may seek to arrest him. Yoon has maintained his justification for declaring martial law and reiterated his commitment to contest the impeachment until the end. Shortly after the Constitutional Court's session commenced on Monday morning, PPP leader Han Dong-hoon announced his resignation. "I extend my heartfelt apologies to all individuals affected by this emergency situation," Han stated during a televised press conference. Han has encountered increasing demands for his resignation, particularly from the substantial pro-Yoon faction within his party, following the impeachment of the president. Initially, Han sought to facilitate a smooth departure for Yoon. However, as it became evident that Yoon was unwilling to step down, Han reversed his position and advocated for his impeachment, asserting that it was the sole method to remove him from office. On Saturday, it was reported that 12 lawmakers from the PPP had voted in favor of impeachment, allowing the motion to succeed. Conversely, the majority of other PPP lawmakers opposed Yoon's impeachment. Following the vote, all 5 members of the Supreme Council of the PPP announced their intention to resign, which would lead to the automatic dissolution of the party leadership. Given that the Supreme Council has been destroyed, Han remarked that it is now impossible for him to fulfill his responsibilities as party leader. "Although it saddens me to consider the disappointment of my loyal supporters, I do not regret my decision," Han expressed, referring to his choice to call for Yoon's impeachment.